breadboard, rain sensor, NE55 timer IC, DC buzzer, BC547 transistor, 10 UF capacitor, 470 ohm resistor, 1K ohm resistor, 4.7 ohm resistor, 100 ohm resistor, female to male jumper wires, male to male jumper wires, (9-volt) battery, and finally battery clipper. Take the breadboard. Place the 5-5 timer IC on the breadboard. Connect jumper wire from pin number 8 to the positive power rail. Take another jumper wire and connect pin number 1 to the negative power rail. Now take a 1 ohm resistor and connect pin number 8 and 7. Take a 100 ohm resistor and connect pin number 7 and 6. Take a 4.7K resistor and connect pin number 4 to the negative power rail. Take a DC buzzer and connect it with the positive side on the breadboard and the negative side on the negative power rail. Like this. Take a jumper wire and connect the positive of the buzzer to the pin number 3. Take a 10 UF capacitor and connect the positive side of the number 2 pin of the timer IC and connect the negative to the negative rail. Now take a BC547 transistor and place it on the breadboard, like this. Make sure its side is facing towards you. Take a 470K resistor and connect pin from the collector to the positive power rail. Now take a 100K resistor and connect the base to the negative power rail. Sorry, you have to connect it somewhere near the breadboard. Now, take a jumper wire and connect the emitter of the 547B transistor and the other end to the pin number 4 of the timer 55 IC. Now take the range sensor and connect female to male jumper wires with the female side putting in the range sensor. Now connect one end to the positive power rail and the other end to the 100K resistor. Now take the battery clipper and connect the positive to the positive rail and the negative to the negative rail. Like this. Now take this and connect the battery, which should be 9 volts. Now you have made your sensor ready to work. Pour water on the range sensor and it will start working.